Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will talk about how to make a YouTube channel, how you can create a YouTube channel, and how you can do the settings of your YouTube channel. Let's go to the youtube.com. When you will log in the Gmail, you will be automatically this I have a Gmail login. This window, when you will open youtube.com, this window will appear and I will click this email. I will click see. I don't have channel. When you on this email, when you will don't have any channel, this option you will get create a channel. Okay, I will click on create a channel. Now asking me the name. You can here put the name of your YouTube channel. I want to create a YouTube channel by the name of new channel. Okay, you can upload a picture here simply. Okay, let me upload and just done. And when you will done this, you can edit the picture. Here you can see create a channel, and it will take just a couple of seconds, a few seconds to create, and this way you can make your YouTube channel. I will tell you the settings now. Your channel has been created. You see there are no subscribers. The very first thing after creating a YouTube channel is to go to the YouTube studio. Once you will go to the YouTube studio, you can download a YouTube Creator Studio app as well in your mobile phone, so you can get the notification or updates on your mobile phone. Continue. Okay, no problem. Here the very first thing, go to the settings. It will be the same channel. Now you hear from here, you need to select the country of residence and keyword. Suppose your channel is based on tech, you will create tech, and when you will click comma, it will automatically be converted in the keyword tech. Now it's totally depends on you. Suppose you have a cooking channel, you will click on cooking, recipe, or whatever the keywords are. You will put the keywords of your channel here. The next thing, advanced settings. Here, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? If your channel is not made for kids, you can by default select here no this channel or yes, or if you will select I want to review. When this option is selected, it means when you will upload a video on YouTube channel, then it will ask you on every video. If you will select the here, this they will not ask you when you will upload a video. Okay, automatic caption, display the number. This way you can hide your subscribers on YouTube, and feature eligibility, it's enabled. Feature required for here, if you want to upload longer than 15 minutes video, you want to upload custom thumbnail on YouTube video, you want to go live streaming or appealing content ID claims, you have to verify your number. Click on verify your number, and this way you can do the phone verification. You can select your country here and phone number you can get, and it will be verified. Now let's go upload default. Actually the setting visibility you can set the by default. When you will suppose here title, you will put here tech. Now on every video when you will upload, tech will be appear, so you don't need to write it again and again on every video. Permission, community, whatever agreements. Okay, you can save this settings. I'm not gonna save. The next thing, customization. You need to go to the customization, layout, featured video, short video, branding, banner image. Upload your banner image. This would be the size of your banner image, 2048 by 1152 pixel. Watermark, you can upload your watermark here. Must do your branding. Basic information, what is your channel about. Put the description and write some words so everyone can do know about which channel is it. Here you can see channel URL. You can customize this URL. Once you got 100 subscribers on your channel, you can easily customize this. Add links. This is the link of your Facebook or Instagram, Snapchat, whatever you want to put. Here you can see link on banner, 5 links up to. You can put this maximum email address so people can contact you. The next thing which you need to do, okay, I'm not gonna save this. Search. This is the dashboard, and if you go on content here, the playlist will and your videos will be here, and your video, so you can create a playlist, at least one playlist, put every video in playlist, not upload any video without any playlist. Here customize, you can do the customization of channel from here as well. If you will click on it, will be redirected to the YouTube Creator Studio. And okay, I'm gonna continue. Channel trailer, if you will add a video here, it will be appear. Share a preview of your channel shown with the people who have not. If anyone is not subscribed to your channel, so this trailer will be appear. So I would recommend you to put a trailer, a good one, and in that trailer you must have the information about your channel, and it should be like short and sweet. Featured video, if someone suppose has watched your trailer and he has subscribed your channel, now if whatever video you will upload here, featured video, it will be for the returning subscribers. If someone subscribed and watched the video, so and the next day he will return to your channel, and then this featured video will appear to him. You can drag and drop here short, or you can select add section. Here you can remove the section, add sections, number of options available. So it's very easy. I hope you will like this video. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.